Hello friends, this is Dr. Nisha Vikas Farade, Assistant Professor, Department of Zoology, Shankarlal Khandelwal College, Akola, Maharashtra. Today we are going to discuss about the structure of heart. Heart actually it is a part of cardiovascular system which comprises of heart, arteries, veins and capillaries. The function of heart is to pump the blood, and that's why it is known as the muscular pump of the body. It is situated in the mediastinum. Mediastinum means it is present behind the sternum, in between the thoracic cavity, between the two lungs, and it is about the size of a fist of a hand, and it is conical in shape. The upper broader surface is known as the base, and the lower narrower surface is known as the part is known as the apex. The heart, it is covered by externally a very tough fibrous covering membranes made up of connective tissue membranes, and it is known as pericardium. Pericardium actually it is a double walled membrane. The outer membrane of this pericardium is known as fibrous pericardium, and the inner is known as the serous pericardium. The serous pericardium, again it is made up of two membranes. The outer is known as the parietal serous pericardium, and the inner one is known as the visceral serous pericardium. The visceral serous pericardium, it is also known as epicardium, which is attached to the outer surface of the main heart. In between these two layers, that is the parietal serous pericardium and the visceral serous pericardium, a space is present, and this space is known as pericardial cavity. In this pericardial cavity, a fluid is present which is known as pericardial fluid. This pericardial fluid, it is very much essential for the proper functioning of the heart. Now we'll see what are the functions of pericardium. The foremost and the main function of pericardium is the protection of heart. This pericardium, it directly helps in the protection of heart because it acts as a shock absorber. It keeps the heart moist. The pericardial fluid present between the serous pericardium layers, it acts as a lubricant and it keeps the heart moist. The pericardium, because it is fibrous, it is attached with the thoracic cavity from the lower side, and thus it anchors the heart in its proper position. It prevents the overfilling of the heart, it prevents the size of the heart and shape of the heart. It does not allow the excess of blood to accumulate inside the heart, so that the size of the heart it remains the constant. Thank you very much. This is all about the outer membranes of the heart. In the next lecture, we will see about the inner structure of heart. Thank you very much.